with Peaches. Today we have with me my boyfriend.
Yo.
He will be cooking with us today, and we'll be cooking a pineapple, shrimp, and sausage kind of dish. I'll be posting every Saturday, so if you want to keep following, hit the subscribe, hit the bell to get notified whenever I post. Then let's get right into the video. Alrighty guys, here's a list of stuff that you need. You'll need a pineapple because that's going to serve as our plate for today. Of course, the sausage, some gravy. Any kind of gravy would do. You can do homemade, but today we're going to do some store-bought. We're going to whip it up. Some rice. And lastly, the shrimp. Alrighty gang, let's get into the video and get to cooking. So first off, what do we... Stop! So first off, what we're going to do is start with cutting up our sausages. So you can use any type of sausage that you want. Me, personally, I like this sausage. And I normally get the skinless because I do not like the casing that be on this. But actually, I don't know why. I don't know why I got the natural casing.
You bougie. That's what that is.
No, I really should have. No, I really should have got the skinless. But while I'm cutting up the sausage, we're going to let him work on cutting our pineapple because
I'm supposed to be doing that?
Yeah, I ain't cutting no pineapple. So you gotta cut it here and then slice in the middle. And then we gotta take out all the pineapple stuff. But one thing about this is that we get to eat the pineapple afterwards. I mean,
so one cut it.
Yeah. You gotta cut the top off.
Right here?
Yeah, but don't cut it up. You gotta.
Let's start this.
Babe. Lay it down and cut
Oh.
it. What the?
Where, from like right here?
Yeah.
Right here.
Just slice it back and forth. And after that very difficult pineapple, we're going to move right along to our shrimp and sausage. So now that you got your pineapples cut in half, because remember this is our plate. I ain't think of pineapple. This mug was small compared to what I seen in the picture. Anyway, so then you got... I'm for real. Unless I just picked up a really small pineapple, it's going to have to do. So after you cut your pineapple in half, you're going to take all this out. You're going to put it in a bowl because you're going to eat it for later, you know. Ain't wasting no food. We're going to let him do that as well. And then get a spoon. So while he's spooning that out, I'm going to... Yeah, and then just put it in the bowl. Right. But don't get that brown stuff. Like you keep a little yellow because you gotta keep it sturdy. I can't wait to eat that pineapple. I ain't had pineapple in so long. So we're gonna cut our sausage up and just slice it like so. You slice it so like you end up with little circles. Circle. Yeah, I'm just going.
She got a knife. Get a knife.
Get that knife right there. That's from the pineapple. And then scoop it out. So now that we got our sausage cut up, we're gonna set it aside. And then we're gonna work on the shrimp. So for the shrimp, I get the blue bag. I know some people get the pink bag, but the pink bag is actually cooked. So I get the raw. It's already peeled. It's already divined, and then it already has the tail off. Easy work. I ain't trying to do no extra work. So we're just gonna open it up. Oh shoot! Look at me struggling to open this on camera. Okay, hold on. Let me try and dry my hands and open this. Okay. All right, so I'm back from rinsing off my shrimp, and you see he's still over here working on that pineapple. And whoever thinks taking this stuff out of a pineapple is easy, it ain't. Cause he over here struggling. We over here wasting good pieces of pineapple. Like,
we're gonna make it work though.
We sure is. So, you can season your shrimp however you want. I'm gonna make it a little spicy. We like spice over here. So first things first is I'm gonna season them with a little couple dashes of hot sauce. We're gonna do some seasoned salt. And when it comes to seasoning, I don't measure. I eyeball. So if you need to measure, I don't know what to tell you because I don't measure, so I can't even give you a measurement. But I season it till my shrimp look like it's seasoned enough because it's flavorful. We like flavoring. We're gonna season it with some black pepper. But I've been a minute of telling them about the instructions and you just got the water going. We're going to do some paprika. You want to put paprika in?
Yeah.
You want to sprinkle?
Put the whole thing in?
Hell no.
Oh.
Come on. That's good. Okay. Garlic powder. You sprinkle like you scared of the seasoning. Come on. All right, that's good.
A little bit more.
Hell no. Where's my onion powder? Some onion powder. Take that off for you. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Okay.
And then for some extra spice, we're gonna dash it with some cayenne pepper, but not a lot because we don't want the spiciness to overpower it. We just want it a tad bit. And then some parsley flakes. And see, we cook it in. We don't put it on top because parsley on top, we don't, we gotta mix it in. And then we're gonna mix this all together. Get a spoon so we can mix it. And then we're gonna mix this bad boy together. You got pineapple all on you?
Anybody need a chef? Holla at your boy.
Alright, that's good. Alright.
Okay, just making sure.
Okay. So now that our shrimp is all mixed together, we're gonna let this sit so the juices and the seasonings can get all up into it while we let our water for the rice boil. And then, all right, gang, we're back and our rice is cooking. So since I've cut and I put the rice on, we're gonna let him cook the meat and stuff. So we're gonna let you get ready to do it. So first things first is that you're going to want to turn the stove on. Your stove on.
Okay, on what?
It's on like high, like, yeah, that's good. And then while the stove is going, we're gonna put a slice of butter in the bottom of the pan. The butter is gonna help give our food some flavor. And it helps, what do you call it? What's that non-stick stuff do? Not stick to the bottom of the pan and burn. There we go. Can't even think of my words. That's a big ass piece. But that's good because when they melt, that's gonna help with the gravy too. All that flavor. And we've already mixed the sausage and shrimp together. What is it?
Right.
Pour it in. Yeah. Let me see. Looking good. So we set that aside. So now we're gonna work on our gravy and put the plate together, and then we'll be done. So for the gravy, there's your pot. And if you do the packaged gravy, like we're doing, because you see, it's quick. You just follow the instructions. You can add extra stuff if you want. Like, say you accidentally add too much water, you can add extra flour. It'll thicken it back up. If you want thick gravy, you add extra flour. If you want it water, you add extra water. You know, you do it to your liking. We're gonna start off with following the instructions, and then we're gonna do it to our liking. Alrighty, gang, welcome back. We are finished with our meal, and here is the finished product. Okay, it's looking good, it's smelling good, so we're gonna try it on camera, you know, tell you if it is good.
I think it's mine. This is the bigger one.
It's on my side. It's mine. I didn't put no rice on the gravy, I just put gravy on the shrimp and stuff. I am so hungry. This is good. It's real good.
Why it tastes so good?
So, let me finish chewing.
You gonna eat yours?
We gonna finish eating, and we will catch you next Saturday to see our next episode. Thanks for watching.
Body cold,
Frosty,
and I'm so
bossy,
and I so
saucy,
and my glow.